The snow leopard, a creature that seems to embody the very essence of the rugged Himalayan landscape, has captivated the imaginations of those who have glimpsed its elusive figure amid the rocky crags and steep slopes. With its thick, smoky gray fur adorned with dark rosettes, this majestic feline is not just a marvel of nature. It is a vital part of the ecosystem that sustains the high-altitude regions it calls home. Yet, as enchanting as it is, the snow leopard is a symbol of the fragility of wildlife in a world increasingly dominated by human activity. Snow leopards are uniquely adapted to their harsh environment. Their wide, furry paws act like natural snowshoes, allowing them to traverse the deep snow with ease, while their long tails help them maintain balance on steep inclines. These adaptations, coupled with their keen eyesight and powerful limbs, make them formidable hunters. They primarily prey on animals such as blue sheep and ibex, but their role extends beyond mere predation. They help maintain the balance of their ecosystem by regulating herbivore populations. However, this delicate balance is under threat. The rapid pace of habitat loss is one of the most pressing issues facing snow leopards today. As human populations expand into the mountains, the pristine environments that these cats require are being transformed into roads, settlements, and agricultural land. This encroachment not only diminishes their habitat, but also fragments it, isolating populations and making it more difficult for snow leopards to find mates in established territories. The result is a decline in genetic diversity, which can have dire consequences for the species' long-term survival. Poaching adds another layer of complexity to the snow leopard's plight. The allure of the snow leopard's beautiful fur and the high value placed on its bones and other body parts in traditional medicine have made it a target for illegal hunters. Despite international efforts to combat wildlife trafficking, the black market for snow leopard products remains a persistent threat. Furthermore, local communities often view these cats as threats to their livestock. When a snow leopard preys on sheep or goats, it can lead to retaliatory killings by farmers desperate to protect their livelihoods. The cycle of conflict between humans and these magnificent cats is a tragic one, rooted in misunderstanding and fear. In response to these challenges, conservationists and organizations dedicated to wildlife protection are stepping up their efforts. Habitat protection is a cornerstone of these initiatives. By establishing protected areas where snow leopards can thrive without the encroachment of human development, conservationists aim to provide safe havens for these animals. National parks and reserves are being expanded and strengthened, creating corridors that allow for greater movement and genetic exchange between isolated populations. Anti-poaching campaigns are equally critical. Many regions where snow leopards roam are now patrolled by dedicated rangers, equipped with the training and resources necessary to combat illegal hunting. These rangers not only work to deter poachers, but also participate in monitoring populations, gathering valuable data that can inform conservation strategies. International cooperation is essential, as poaching networks often cross borders, necessitating a unified response from multiple countries. Perhaps the most promising aspect of snow leopard conservation is the growing emphasis on community engagement. Recognizing that local people are crucial to the success of conservation efforts, organizations are fostering partnerships with communities living in proximity to snow leopard habitats. By promoting coexistence, these initiatives provide incentives for protecting these cats. Ecotourism, for example, allows communities to benefit financially from the presence of snow leopards, turning them into allies rather than adversaries. Furthermore, compensation programs for livestock losses help mitigate the financial impact when a snow leopard does prey on domestic animals, reducing the likelihood of retaliatory killings. The snow leopard is not just a symbol of the wild, it represents the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. Its survival is tied to the health of its mountain ecosystem, which in turn is influenced by human actions. As we confront the realities of climate change, habitat destruction, and biodiversity loss, the fate of the snow leopard serves as a reminder of the urgent need for conservation. Protecting these magnificent cats is not merely an act of preserving a species, it is an investment in the future of our planet. As we reflect on the challenges faced by the snow leopard, we are called to action. Each of us has a role to play in ensuring that this guardian of the Himalayas continues to roam its mountainous home. Whether through supporting conservation organizations, advocating for sustainable practices, or simply spreading awareness about the plight of endangered species, our collective efforts can make a difference. The snow leopard's story is one of resilience, but it is also a call to stand up for all endangered wildlife. In conclusion, the snow leopard embodies the wild spirit of the Himalayas, a creature of beauty and grace that faces unprecedented challenges. By fostering a deeper understanding of its plight and committing to conservation efforts, we can help secure a future for this incredible species. Let us unite in our efforts to protect the snow leopard, ensuring that it remains a living testament to the untamed beauty of our natural world.